Hi friends, I'm gonna show you the complete product in mass production. This is L7 to 20P cables. This side is for the equipment and this side is for the power distribution units. And this cable please have a look at UL certified. And the whole cables we also made by ourselves from the small parts to the complete one. I'm gonna show you how to make this one-shot molding plug. The first step to make the terminal. This is the copper terminal. It's very good for the conductivity for the cables. The second step, install the housing. About this housing, we also have our own mold to produce. The final step and the also most important step, please take a closer look, one-shot molding. As usual, before shipment, we have to make the conductivity tests for each piece of cables. Through watching our videos, you can see from the plug to the cables, we also got the UL certified. About the quality, we check every cables before shipment. If you have such a demands customized cables, power plugs, please contact us anytime.